Figure 1 and Figure 2 are made up of quadrants of similar radii. Find the difference in the unshaded area between Figure 2 and Figure 1. If we were to look at the figure, you realize that this quadrant over here is actually the same as this quadrant over here. So we know that this triangle, which means that this triangle, this number 1, will match with this triangle. While this shaded part will match with this shaded part. So if we were to draw the rest like this, number 2 and number 2 here will actually match with this. And if we were to draw this as number 3, it will also match with this, which is number 3. And the last one will actually be this, which is number 4, and it will match with this, which is number 4. Since the question is asking for the difference in the unshaded area, the extra area that figure 2 has will actually be this part here. And then if we are to remove all the markings, you can actually notice that this is actually the area of the square, and the area of this square is actually equivalent to the area of this square. However, it is actually the area of a square minus of the shaded part. So to find the difference in the unshaded area, I just need to use the area of the square minus the area of the 4 shaded parts. So I can just focus on one quadrant, which is this one. I'll find the area of the quadrant minus the area of the shaded part the area of the quadrant minus the area of this triangle, and I'll be able to get the area of one shaded part. So area of quadrant would be 1/4 times pi, which is 3.14, times the radius square. Now, according to the question, the radius is the same. So if the whole diameter is 80, the radius would be divided by 2, which is 40. So it's 40 square. I will get 1256 cm square. The area of the triangle is equals to half times base again is the radius, which is 40, and height is again the radius, which is 40, and I will get 800 cm square. So to find the area of the shaded part, I'll just use the area of the quadrant, which is 1256 minus 800. I'll get 456 cm square. That is to say, this part is 456 cm square. Now, in order to find the difference in the unshaded area, which is this part here, I'll need to use the area of the square, or the area of one triangle minus the area of the shaded part. So area of one unshaded part is equals to the area of the triangle, which is 800, minus the area of the shaded part. So 800 minus 456, I will get 344 cm square. Therefore, I need to find 4 parts. I just need to use 344 times 4, which is 1376 cm squared.